driving in the wintertime. It is 31 degrees. We're in the Midwest. When you're in neighborhoods, you need to be driving about 25 miles an hour. We warmed up the car, but as you can tell, it's still really cold. So a lot of you who are learning how to drive, you need to leave at least a half an hour to 45 minutes early to get your car warmed up. You may have to get gas and get something to eat. We're coming up to a partially controlled intersection. I have to stop for 3 seconds. I did, but now I need to move forward. I've rolled my windows down because it's cold. There's frost on the windows, as you can see. I'm looking left and right. And when the cars go by, here's my gap. I accelerate and get into the nearest lane. The car does have a half a tank of gas. We're letting it warm up, but as you can tell, it's still cold. So you need to leave early, but none of you are gonna listen to me because you're gonna cut it to the last second. I strongly suggest you watch all of the videos, learn how to drive, and learn best practice. I'll show you real life driving. I'm a state certified instructor. We have to go get breakfast. We have time. I turn on my blinker just before the driveway I need to enter on the left. I yield for the truck and then I turn. The car's starting to warm up, but it's still cold. I'm showing you real life examples. You're gonna get gas, go through the drive-through, go to the ATM, go pick up your friends. So we want to pause and be patient.
Using the mobile app today?
We just want to be aware of situations. Good morning. I need a number 2 large with a coffee, 1 cream, 1 sugar, and a large.
You said a number 2?
A number 2 large with the coffee, 1 cream, 1 sugar. And I need a large ice water.
You have no ice.
That's fine. And then a burrito with hot sauce. Thank you.
Did that complete your order?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you always say thank you. You always be courteous because people are working. It's very stressful in the morning. So I want to give you a real life perspective of what life is really like to help you navigate when you learn how to drive. All of these things tie into driving, getting to work, getting food, getting gas. But we do not have to do that because we already have our fuel. So that will save us time. And then she's got to swipe our card. So I'm gonna put it in park. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.